Here's how to participate in the Genially and Intel Skills for Innovation Teacher Competition. First, join the competition by completing the type form. The form link can be found in the email you received or at genially.com/intelwithgenially. Next, choose a starter pack. There are two ways to access the Intel SFI starter packs. First, the Genially pathway. Create a free Genially account at genially.com. Find the 6 starter packs at genially.com/intelwithgenially. Each pack includes a beginner's guide to the software being used in the lesson and an educator guide, your lesson plan. Once you've chosen your starter pack, click the 3 dots in the bottom right or the banner at the bottom to reuse the Genially. We encourage you to modify the Genially any way you want for your students by adding icebreakers, interactive questions, examples, etc. Next, the Intel pathway. Go to intel.com/SFI. Scroll and click the blue Get Started/Continue button. Sign in or create an account. When asked for a registration code, enter Genially SFI. If you're in the US, add your state, district, and school. Submit, confirm your details, then accept the privacy policy and terms. You're now on the SFI homepage. To get starter packs, scroll to the blue Starter Pack Lessons box and click Start Here. Select a starter pack by age, topic, or subject. Once you've found the one you want, click the tile, then Download Now. Unzip the file. Inside, you'll find all materials needed for your lesson plan. Note that if you choose a starter pack outside of the 6 found on the Genially site, you'll need to create your own Genially to go with it. You can start with a template, import the existing teacher deck into Genially, or start with a blank creation. Document the process of teaching the lesson with things like photos, student results, and reflections. Once you're ready to submit, reuse the submission template and answer the questions within, or create your own submission Genially with all the info to make it your own. Submit using the Google form on the landing page by November 23rd at 11:59 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Be sure to download, complete, and sign the personal release form. That's it! You're ready for the competition. Have fun. Winners will be announced in early December.